Hello guys, welcome back. This is your boy Emmanuel Airdrop. So over here guys is my payment proof of 0.00012 BTC, and this is equivalent to $5.69. Okay, so you can see that this payment was actually sent to me today, being January 4th 2022, around 3:55 p.m. Okay, that should be a few hours ago. All right, so the payment status is already completed. Okay, so I got this BTC from a legit new Bitcoin earning site. Okay, this is a newly launched site, and in this video I will guide you all step by step on how I was able to make this amount of BTC. This is equivalent to 12,000 Satoshi. So be sure to watch this video to the end and don't skip any part. You are watching the Money Airdrop, guys. On this channel I make videos on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency. So if you enjoy making money online with crypto, do subscribe and do make sure your notification bell is turned on, okay, so that YouTube can notify you anytime a new video is being published to this channel. Stay tuned guys and watch this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'll be showing how to earn free Bitcoin BTC every seconds. All right, so this is the website that we are going to be using today again. All right, but before I show you guys how it works, I already made a video about this site yesterday. All right, so let me show you my withdrawal proof, okay, to prove to you that this website paid me today. All right, because I promised you guys that if it pays me, I'll be showing you guys the payment proof. Okay, so here we go. You can see that I requested for this payment today in the morning around 8:36 a.m. and this payment has already been completed, and here is the status completed. Okay, this is over 12,000 Satoshi. Okay, so by the way, this is my Coinbase BTC address. Okay, you have seen it now. Let me go back and show you my Coinbase email. That is the email that I received from Coinbase around 3:55 p.m. this afternoon. Okay, so let me open this email. All right, and you have already seen my Coinbase account at the beginning of this video. So here is the message that I received from Coinbase, that I received over 0.00012 BTC, which is equivalent to $5.69. This is equivalent to also 12,000 Satoshi. Okay, so you have seen my payment proof that this site is paying, so you don't need to doubt. Okay, so right now that you have seen my proof, let's just go back to the website again, and right now I will be showing you guys how I was able to make this amount of Satoshi from this particular website. All right, so the website that we are using is Paid Faucet, and you get the link to join this website in this video's description box. Okay, so you can see here that I have over 4,000 Satoshi left, and to sign up guys, once you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. So you just have to scroll down, click on register. All right, and you have to first of all solve this captcha. All right, so please watch this video to the end and click on register. So over here now, you have to sign up by entering your username, your email address, your password, and type your password and click on sign up. All right, so that's all you have to do, and your account will be ready for you instantly. Okay, so right now I will show you how to start in. Okay, so to earn your first free BTC here, all you have to do here right now is to scroll down and click on this button here. This place over here now will be offering you 4 Satoshi every 5 minutes, and this is just the beginning. Okay, click on start now, click on step 1. All right, then wait for another 4 seconds. Okay, so after that 4 seconds again, click on step 2, then wait for another 4 seconds. That's all. And after this last one, click on collect. All right, okay, and let's see what will happen here. You can see that 4 Satoshi has been added to my account balance. Okay, so the second way of earning here is by surfing ads. So come over here and click on this button here. All right, it has the Satoshi for site. That is the one that I just showed you guys now, the 5 minute claiming button. All right, and also the soft art button. Okay, so it's either you click on this soft art button here, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so this one will be offering you 2.1 Satoshi just for you to visit their site for 15 seconds, and they have lots and lots of sites here that are willing to pay you just for you to visit their site. Okay, this one in particular is willing to pay you 4.1 Satoshi just for you to visit their site for just 45 seconds. The same thing with this one, the same thing with this one, and this one is willing to pay you 3.4 Satoshi just for you to visit their site for 30 seconds, and they still have lots and lots of ads or sites here willing to pay you just for you to visit their site for some seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and view one. Let's view this one. We'll be earning 2.1 Satoshi for visiting the site. Okay, so to visit the site, just click on view this ad. All right, and it will take you to this page. Okay, so you just have to wait and click on view this ad. All right, that's all, and you have to keep your eyes up here in this time. Okay, so when this timer counts down to 0, you just have to click on this confirm button here. All right, so when you click on the confirm button, guys, you'll be taken to their advertisers page. So you just have to click on back button and it will take you back. Okay, so let me show you my account balance here. You can see here that in my account balance, I now have over 4,287.07 Satoshi. Okay, so let's also solve more ads. All right, okay, so you don't even need to solve this one. Okay, do not solve this type of ads, just focus on the one that the amount that you are going to be earning is visible. Okay, this one is not going to credit to anything. All right, so do not be confused. So over here now, this one is also willing to pay you 2.1 Satoshi just for you to solve their ad for 15 seconds, and let's go ahead and solve the ad. All right, and over here now, you also have to wait for 5 seconds. All right, then go ahead and click on view this ad. All right, and secondly, you have to wait for 15 seconds. Okay, so after 15 seconds, you have to click on confirm and get your BTC. All right, so the site is legit. I have already shown you guys my payment proof at the beginning of this video. So the next thing now is to click confirm. All right, so when you click confirm, you'll be taken to the advertisers website. Click on your back button and view your account balance. All right, and you can see here that I now have over 4,328.95 Satoshi here. Okay, so they also have the bonus ads. Okay, so let me show you the bonus ads. This one is different from the other one, and this one will be paying you 1.9 Satoshi just for you to solve this ad for 15 seconds. Okay, so that's it. They have lots and lots of sites here that you can just visit. Okay, so this one is also going to pay you 2.1 Satoshi just for you to visit that site for just 20 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and view this one. All right, and you have to wait for 4 seconds. So click on view this ad. All right, so once you click on view this ad, guys, you'll be brought to this page. Okay, so once the timer counts down to 0, you have to just go back to the site and collect your reward. Okay, so just click on this confirm button here. All right, okay, so when you click on the confirm button, guys, you have to you'll be taken back to your account instantly. All right, and let's see what I now have in my account. You can see here that I now have over 4,383.85 Satoshi. Okay, so the site is legit and the site is paying. Okay, so these bonus ads over here still have lots and lots of ads which you can still solve and earn yourself some Satoshi. Okay, so do not miss the site. Go ahead and sign up right now, guys, and start earning. All right, you have already seen my payment proof. There should be no doubt about this site. Okay, so concerning this soft ads, it has more ads than the bonus ads. Okay, so you have to also solve all these ads. All right, and this has lots and lots of ads here. Okay, so that's how the site works. So easy and user friendly. All right, and this is a new site. It only has over 7,000 plus active users as for today. Okay, So remember yesterday it had 4,000 something active users, and I discovered this site yesterday, so that's why I decided to make a video about the site. And in this video I showed you guys my withdrawal proof. Okay, so to withdraw, all you have to do here now is to visit your home page again and click on withdraw funds. All right, if you click on withdraw funds, guys, over here minimum amount to withdraw is just 10,000 satoshi. Do not be confused, this is it. This is 10,000 satoshi. You can see it over here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the next thing here now is that to withdraw, you have to first of all update your BTC wallet address. Go over to your maybe Coinbase Trust Wallet. Someone told me yesterday that he or she was trying to enter his or her Trust Wallet BTC address, but the site refused. So I'm going to recommend you all to use Coinbase. That is your Coinbase Bitcoin address, or even Binance, or even Clever Wallet Bitcoin address, and others. Okay, in case it rejects your own Trust Wallet BTC address. Okay, so just get your BTC address and paste it here. All right, paste it here, then click on update. All right, and that is all you have to do here. Then go back and withdraw. Minimum amount to withdraw is just 10,000 satoshi. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so do not miss this site, guys. Hurry up now and start earning. And always remember that you can always claim your 4 satoshi every 5 minutes, and also soft ads, also the bonus ads. Okay, so in case you can refer people, you can also refer and be earning 25% referral commission for each click and satoshi your referral earn. Okay, so this site is similar to CoinPay. Yeah, so in case you can refer, or you have a large number of audience, just copy your link and invite your friends, and you will be earning 25% of whatever they earn, and also 15% when your referrals makes purchases. Okay, so that's all for today. I would have given this BTC away, but I discovered that most of your addresses are being removed automatically by YouTube each time you comment your address when participating in giveaways. Okay, so that's not my fault. I will never delete your address when doing giveaways. Okay, so I'll have to find a way to fix it. All right, and I will let you guys know once I find a way to fix the giveaway stuffs. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't. Okay, and when subscribing, do make sure your notification bell is turned on. Okay, so that YouTube themselves can notify you anytime a new video is being published to this channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Stay safe once again. God bless you all and happy new year.